I'm always telling everybody to be prepared. It's a bad storm here in Savannah, in Port Wentworth. Power's off. I have the DC hookup for my sleep machine. Okay? Connected to my EcoFlow battery. I've been running it already for about 2 hours. This will take care of me till daylight and a couple days after that. It helps to be prepared. When somebody tells you that it's more efficient to use 12-volt power for your CPAP machine, they're not kidding. This is just a small 288-watt battery. You can do a lot when you have the right equipment. It always helps to be prepared.